Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A27, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use memory card. Okay, so first we need to insert it, and to do it we gotta take our SIM tray out, and then we gotta take it out. And now take your SD card, it's the microSD, and we gotta place it right in here in a proper way. Okay, it's placed, it won't fall out. So that's the moment when we can insert it back to our phone. Okay, now the phone should give us notification that there is an SD card, but we can also check it manually. Go to My Files, and as you take a look, we have our SD card. Now we can add something to it. For example, I have this screenshot that I have taken. Simply hold on the thing that you want to move, then hit the button down below, move, and select SD card and click on move here. And that's all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.